I'm Sandy, number 3 daughter, and I will be narrating the life story of Irene Brayton Scheffler. Photo number 1. Mom was born on July 25, 1909 in Prairie View Township, Wilkin County, Minnesota, the 8th child of Ben and Clara. Here's Mom on the right and Lauren on the left. Number 2 photo. This is a picture of the Brayton family taken in 1917. Mom is second from right, front row. Number 3. She attended Prairie View Country School, then moved to town and stayed with her sister Gladys so she could finish high school. This is Mom at Gladys Morbin's home in Barnesville, probably taken at the time she lived there. Number 4. This was high school photo. Mom is in the back row, far left. She graduated in 1928. That next fall, she was on her way to St. Cloud Teachers College, again staying with her sister Gladys. Mom graduated 2 years later with a teacher's certificate. Number 5. This was taken approximately in 1931, probably the first year she taught. Back row is Eddie Mitchell, Alan Bross, Norman Brayton, middle row DeLoss Brayton, Howard Mitchell, Ethel Mitchell, Mom, Nadine Mitchell, and front row is Howard Brayton, Floyd Brayton, Dolores Brayton. No wonder it was called the Brayton School. She taught at that school for 4 terms, staying at the family farm and teaching some of her brothers and sisters. Number 6. This photo was taken in 1932 when she was engaged to Fred, a farm boy from Wilkin County, son of Nettie and Ernest Scheffler. Number 7. Here's their wedding picture, married on June 14, 1933. Attendants were Lauren Brayton, Helen Knutson, Dad's sister, and Edna Hughes. Flower girl is Norma Jean Morbin. They started out married life on a farm west of Lawndale where Dad farmed. Number 8. In 1934, they moved and rented this farm where Arvid Schulstead now lives in Wilkin County. Dad bought the farm in 1939. In the picture is Dad, Mom, Ivy, Janice, and Sandy. 9. Here is moving day on the farm, October 1946. Number 10. Mom and Dad decided to try city life in 1946. They bought the old spec house in southeast Barnesville, where they raised their 5 daughters and where Sharon, number 4 daughter, lives now. Number 11. Here's Mom and her 5 daughters, taken approximately in 1952. Number 12. This is Mom and Dad's 25th wedding anniversary in 1958. Lauren and Edna were in their wedding party. Number 13. By 1961, Mom must have thought the house was getting a little quiet, so she decided to have an exchange student from Costa Rica. Her name was Maria Torres. She arrived in August 1961 to spend the school year. It was a learning experience for all. This is Maria and her husband after she returned for a visit in 1972. We have not heard from her since. Number 14. This is the house that Mom and Dad had built in 1968. Mom did a lot of the planning and inside work herself, which she enjoyed doing. Number 15. This photo was taken in 1973. Mom's activities, besides being a homemaker, included spending a lot of time at St. James Church where she was involved, plus being the custodian for about 10 years. She was also involved in the Barnesville Nursing Home Auxiliary. If she had any spare time left, you'd find her behind the sewing machine or with a needle in hand. Mom called this picture their retirement picture. Number 16. This was taken in 1970 of Mom and Dad for the church directory. Photos 17 and 18. The next 2 pictures were the last pictures taken of Mom and her grandchildren, 4 grandsons and 11 granddaughters. This was her last Christmas, 1975. Mom was sick for 13 months and she died of cancer on April 26, 1976. We miss her lots. Number 19. These are her 5 daughters. A 1982 photo. Back row from left, Ivy Olson has 5 children and lives on a farm near Barnesville. She is number 1 daughter. Sandy Hagley, number 3 daughter, has 2 daughters and lives in Baxter, Minnesota. Janice Muchenbaker, 2 daughters, and number 2 daughter, and has 3 children and lives in Castleton, North Dakota. Front row from left, Sharon Thomas, number 4 daughter, has 3 girls and lives in our old house. Linda Kerfman, number 5 daughter, has 2 girls and lives in Barnesville. This history was done in January 1985.